Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about what is model laboratory. So it's a very interesting component that is available in Langchain. Model laboratory, as the name suggests, helps you to compare multiple LLM objects in the same run. So today we'll having a demonstration around that. So right now I'm loading out Hugging Face Hub models. So there are three models that I'm trying to test out. One is Flan T5 small, Flan T5 base, and Flan Alpaca base. So these are all small models. That is why the inference time would be low, and eventually I'm using it. You can go with bigger models like Phi 2 or Llama 7 billion, whatever works for you. Or even if you have an OpenAI API key, that's better. You can go for GPT 3.5, GPT for testing out different things, right? So in this case, to test out model laboratory, you first need to create a list of LLMs you wish to test out. So here you can see that I'm providing three LLMs. This list can be infinite. You can have multiple more LLMs added to it. Then using the model laboratory object from LLMs, I'm creating a model laboratory object and loading it as models. Now the last part is very easy. Model.compare and give your prompt how to make tea. This prompt can be anything. Now if you see in the output, you can see that the output is available for all the three models that we have added for comparison. So for Flan T5 small, pour tea in a glass jar and pour into a glass jar. I think the results would be bad because the models that I'm using are very average models. Flan T5 base mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of tea, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of teaspoon. To make tea, start by boiling water in a kettle. Once the water is boiling, comma, I didn't get an output after that. So basically, this is just for demonstration purpose. Here you can see that how model laboratory helps you to understand the different outputs we can get from different elements for the same prompt without repeating our code. So this is very useful and mostly can be helpful when you are going to deploy a production grade Langchain app or like any LLM that you wish to upgrade, so that you would be trying to test out different LLMs